Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to ignore all the grammar or spelling check error on the word. When you right click on any word or lines, you can ignore only single word, and doing it all the pages is very difficult. So how to ignore all of the word at once, in this video I'm going to show you. What you need to do is open the word, go to file, then go to options, then you need to go to proofing, and under the proofing check the option when correcting spelling and grammar in word. Untick all the options which is showing up here, then click on OK. Just now you can see all the red errors are gone now. But if you want to make it as default again, go to same options and tick all the boxes again like this. Okay, so this is how guys you can ignore all the red errors in word. I hope this small video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.